More and more, the thing calling our software is an AI agent, not a person at a screen. So this quarter went into making the platform something agents can build on, with output teams can trust and humans can review. Built for agents, trusted by humans. Let's get into what's new. Three things changed how document software gets used. Agents now evaluate and call SDKs directly. They read the docs and hit the API before a human sees a product page. AI gets teams to probably write, which doesn't clear the bar in regulated work, and humans still review, sign, and approve. Most tools solve one of these. What shipped this quarter solves all three? So, first, the data extraction API. It's our document extraction engine, now available as a standalone cloud API. It solves the oldest problem in the document processing space. So the most important data in a business is trapped inside PDFs and scans and forms, and getting it out reliably is genuinely hard. Here is what this thing does. The data extraction API takes a document, clean or messy, typed or handwritten, and gives back structured data. Tables as tables, forms as key value pairs, reading order intact. You get it as a clean markdown for AI and search, or spatial JSON with coordinates when you need precision. So, the four modes on the right are the real story. So they are a dial to this engine. Text and structure are fast and cheap for clean born digital files. Understand and agentic modes bring in AI and the vision model for the hard stuff like degraded scans, handwriting, and obviously cost more per page. One engine, two ways to run it. The Cloud API or embedded in the Python and Java SDKs, fully self-hosted. Now, here is the part that actually matters in production, and it's where most tools stop. Getting a value that is probably right is table stakes now. The models are really good at that. The hard part is proving it. So every value the API returns shows its work. A bounding box pinning it to the exact spot on the page, a reference to the source block it came from, and the match label. That says how it was grounded. That last one is the quiet superpower. It lets a system route the shaky values to a human automatically and pass the confident ones straight through. Accuracy isn't the hard part anymore. Trust is, and trust is what this returns. And we hold our claims to the same standard. This is our accuracy benchmark. The point isn't just we are accurate, it's that you don't have to take our word for it. So, where does this land, you may ask? I would say anywhere the document matters, and getting it wrong is expensive. Financial services pull fields of statements, and every field has a citation, so an auditor can trace it. Healthcare and government often can't send documents to the cloud at all, and since the engine runs self-hosted, they don't have to. Legal cares about structure and provenance across long contracts. Logistics just needs volume. The thread through all of them is that the AI said so isn't an acceptable answer, and verifiable output is, and that is exactly what we produce.